Hey there, everybody. Thomas with Basecamp Trading. It is Monday, November 17th. We're going to take a look here at RSP. Now, this is the equal weight S&P 500. So it's the 500 stocks in the S&P 500, but equally weighted across the board. And what we're seeing here is a big breakdown happening today. We've broken through the support and starting to come down. And one of the things that kind of concerns me with this a little bit is we put in a lower high here. So this is pretty good looking bearish setup, suggesting prices come down some more. So keep an eye on it. We'll see how it ends up closing the day. But for the time being, this looks pretty bearish, pretty weak. And because it's equal weight S&P 500, that would mean we expect broad market selling over the next day or two, assuming we close below the 185 level. So there's about an hour left in trading today, unless we rebound really hard here. I would expect this to be bearish, and then we'll look for this to continue to come down to like the 182 level or so. So keep an eye on it. For the time being, looking pretty ugly. And it suggests we're going to continue to head south in the broad market. That being said, one of the things we've been doing is sitting on cash for a lot of this and sitting on the sidelines for a lot of this past several weeks. So we'll see how it all plays out. And I still think we have potential for a Christmas rally towards the end of the year, going into December. Maybe it happens next week or the week after, coming out of Thanksgiving. But I'll keep you posted if you're in the trade room on what my expectations are and where I'm looking for things to head. But for now, it's pretty bearish. Everything is looking pretty weak. Crypto has been leading the way, obviously, to the downside, and stocks starting to follow here as well across the board. So broad market selling. So keep an eye on it. If you want to join us in the trading room and get these types of trades and setups live, all you got to do is go to bctnow.com/join. There's a link down in the description below. You can check it out, and I'll see you in the trading room bright and early tomorrow morning. And that's it for today. Until next time, everybody, happy trading.